Everyone, welcome to another video. So in this video I'll be installing a dash cam for my new Mahindra Thar. So this is the dash cam which I ordered from Amazon. This is from the company name 70MAI. So you get multiple models as well as multiple companies where you can find this dash cam. So the reason I chose 70MAI is this has been in the market from long time, and considering the reviews, everything, I felt this is the best. So this is both the front and rear camera set which I ordered, which supports night vision as well. So if you want the model details, this is how it is here. So this is model mid-drive D07. So the product costed me around 14,000. So if you use Amazon ICICI card, you get 5% discount as well. So let me move to the unboxing. So once you open it, this is the main console. So this is how it looks, which shows all the information, everything. So at the back you have the camera. So this is the camera. So this is the stock ORVM. So what you need to do is this will go directly upon this. So in detail I will show how to install all this. So let's move what inside the box. So apart from that, in this you get this cigarette holder or power adapter, which you have to put for the cigarette holder. So this will be for the main power supply. So apart from that, you get this tool. This tool is used to open this wiring. So whenever you do this wiring, this tool is used. This also I'll be showing you how to use it. So in the next one, this is the wiring set. Which goes for the power supply. So apart from that, here there's another set as well. Let me open it. So this is another wiring set. This is with the rear view camera. So this is the rear view camera. So this you can put it outside as well as inside behind the mirror, behind the glass, sorry. So this is how this look. So now let's move to the installation. Now we'll take this main unit. So once you see, there are two clamps here on top and on bottom. So what you have to do is you have to take this rubber. So this one you have to place it on behind like this. You have to put it inside this. So this is basically for the grip to hold it as well. So similar way for this as well. So once you put this rubber on the clamp, what you have to do is place it in this way, and you have to take the rubber back of this, and you have to. Before placing, one thing you can see is this is almost little bigger in size compared to this. So there are chances in few cars that this camera will get folded and it will be touching this one. So what they have done is you have this slider option. So whenever it's equal size, you can slide it in this way, so that the camera will come out this way and it will be no hindrance for recording. So here it will come. So if you slide this way, you can slide how much ever you want. Or if it's small, you can just close it like this. Now I have mounted. You can see at the back the camera has come out. So you can take it accordingly, and this moves at all degrees, so you can adjust camera once you switch it on. So this is how the clamp will go. Similar cases that one as well. Now let's give the power connection. So for the power connection, you need this two cables. First I'll be installing front, then I'll be going with the rear. So this one, power adapter will directly go inside this cigarette holder charger, and the wire I'll route it in this way. First let me connect, then I can do the routing later. On the dash cam, I provided the power supply here. So make sure you insert a memory card as well. So in Amazon, when you buy, they have mentioned the recommended memory card, so you can use that. It lasts for the QR code. You need to scan this and download this application. So once the application is downloaded, further setup will be done. And this is basically not a touch screen. So in order to use these buttons, you have to use the below buttons. The routing is completely done. So what I have done is, for this camera, for the power output, I have taken in this way. Completely taken that corner, have taken inside this and brought the cable here, me switch on the light. So the cable is coming from this way. So for the rear camera, what I have done is I have taken the wire in this way. Same way I have taken it down. You can take it upwards as well. I feel down is much more comfortable. So let me show the rear end as well. Rear camera, what I have done is I have done the routing from the down. So taken it from here. So this has come on the top so that the wiring can't be seen. So this is the rear view camera. So you have an option to add it here as well. So I have added it here because in case of movement of any glass, there won't be any problem. So this is how it is mounted. And make sure that it is placed in here or here, because in here Thar, what happens is the tire also comes in the view. So make sure that you keep the camera little up. So now it is proper. So it will look. So even now if I close the tire, right, the camera will be seen. So that's it for this video. In next video I will be explaining complete specification and the usage of this dash cam. So if you have any queries, please comment down below. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.